Are you holding a smartphone? Are you holding an iPhone Pro Max, or you're holding Samsung? Which type of a smartphone do you have? Please, today I'm going to be showing you how you can use that smartphone and make $100, $50, $20, whatever money you want. But let's aim higher on $100. A month it will be 3,000. Even if we count it down, it is going to be 2,000 US dollars. Hold on, you guys. Do I have money makers in the house? Okay, if I have money makers in the house today, we're going to be looking at how to get $100 using our smartphone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can use the smartphone on a certain app that I have today. It is familiar with me, and I don't know whether you've heard about it, but we talked about it some months ago on our channel. So this app is called the Premise app. Premise app pays, it can pay you completely everyday basis by completing tasks, by completing surveys, tasks like taking photos, surveys like having your youth collect data, even sharing your opinions on this app. It's easy, by the way. This app, it's accessible from wherever you are. You can use it. It can be fun, and at the same time, it can be incredible, profitable as far as money generating income is concerned. Now, right. Isn't it sounding very beautiful? I know there are some doubting Thomases who are going to say, no, 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 Christine, it is not possible. We have seen all these things, they don't work. Me, as you can see right on the screen, I already withdrew, but this is the thing that I've done today. And moreover, when I'm at work, today I go to 0.05 from a simple task. I'm sure if you can do more, you can get more than this. Now, let's dive in. In this video, you're going to be knowing what exactly is this Premise app. I mean, PREMISE Premise app. Then you're going to know how to get it, how to access it, and at the same time, you're going to see what are the good practices can you apply for you to get the $100 on everyday basis. Call it 3,000 on a monthly basis. By the way, don't forget, this is how to make money with your smartphone, how to make money online with internet, that internet that you have. But before we dive into details of this app, that is Premise app, I would love to say thank you to every individual that has been there, allowing Immaculate Show to be on your screens, allowing Immaculate Show to whisper into your ears and understand what we are talking about, making money online without any investment, and accepting our love that we decided, and it is one of our objectives to really dispense love to everybody by changing your mindset, by knowing what you hold within your hands can turn into money. So let's dive in and see exactly what is Premise. Premise is an app, you guys. It is an app that you can access on your Android phones or on your iPhone phones. What you need to know today is that this one can only be accessed on phones and can only be downloaded. So let's go direct and see what exactly is Premise. Premise is a crowd sourcing platform that pays users to complete various tasks, such as taking photos of specific locations, answering questions and surveys, or even verifying local information like prices or availability of products. Businesses and organizations use this data to make informed decisions, and they are willing to pay for you to help them. You guys, in our previous video, I was telling you about how I made instant money just on reviewing an app, a product of a financial app. In less than 10 minutes, I got money. So this one is almost the same. You are going to get tasks, you're going to get surveys, you're going to get questions that you can answer and earn this money. Now, can we understand exactly how do you access this? The tasks are often quick and simple, you guys. You should not feel very bad. You can easily get the tasks, and they are simple for you, and they can pay you on each of the tasks that you complete. Whether you are out of your job, or you are on any errand, or you are at home relaxing, or you are at work, there is always something you can do to earn money with Premise. Premise is all our way around, as you can see. So how do you get started with Premise? I know someone out there is like, Christine, you're delaying us. We need to know how to get started. For you to get started on Premise, I would love you to get your I want you to just get your phone and we start. Do you have Firefox? Me, I use Chrome. So what you do, go there. First and foremost, if you have an Android phone, I want you to go to your Google, and if you have iPhone, you want you to go to the App Store. Put there Premise. If you put Premise, this interface is going to come. Please, there might come very many premises, but this one is the one we are talking about, I'm sure about. Download Premise. After downloading Premise from your phone, you can get it, yes, on Android, and at the same time, you can get it on App Store. It is free of charge. You're going to go there and sign up freely. Signing up freely, it is very simple and can take just few minutes, if not seconds. You can sign in by using your Google, or you can even sign in by using your Facebook, or you can decide to sign up by using your email. So the moment you finish signing up, you are going to follow the steps that are going to be followed. Please follow the steps and finish it up. Step one is just finish. It is download the Premise app from your phone's app store and sign up for a free account. It only takes very few minutes. And the only thing that I want you to do is to put your basic information and set up your profile. For you to set up your profile, you guys, it is very essential. You have to make sure that you enable, or you key in, or you enable your location. As in, for Premise works on your location, that's when it is going to know how to allocate for you your tasks, or how to allocate for you the data and questions that you're going to be doing. The step two, as you can see on the screen, continue with me. Step two, you're going to enable location, as I told you. Premise uses your location to find tasks near you. Every person on this earth, you have a task through Premise here, because near you there is a grocery, near you there is a hospital, near you there is a cafeteria, near you there is a canteen. And with the history and the witness we've seen with Premise, most of their clientele is based on groceries, and even others, as we'll be seeing it. And after you enabling your location services, Premise uses your location to find tasks near you, and to be sure to allow the app to access your GPS. This will help you find tasks that are close by you, making it easy to earn money very quickly. Because if you're staying in Sharjah, like me, I'll stay in Al Majaz, they are going to give me, if I enable my location, by mine, I enabled it from work, because I'm almost during the day I'm at work. So I put Falza here. Now for you, you're going to put the location where you know you're always at least a half of your day is there. So if you're in Sharjah Al Nada, it is better you put Sharjah Al Nada. You enable it, so it is going to make, at least it's going to give you the tasks that are nearby you. Now, let's go to another step. I know you're still thinking, how do we earn? Earning money with the Premise is very promising and is very beautiful. Let's go dive in and see. Once you've all set up your profile and you've already done everything enabling your location, it is time to start earning with Premise. Because Promise will offer you a variety of tasks that you can complete at any time, and you earn money. You can complete by either by doing it from home, or by going up to the place where they are sending you. These tasks range from taking photos, as we talked, of specific places, answering surveys, checking prices from the local stores, and even verifying local events. The more tasks you complete, the more you can earn. When we talk about checking prices, this one is just being assigned by you, by the client. It's assigned by you by the app, but the client gave them already. So the moment they get it, they will hand over to you by putting it on your screen, and the moment you get it, rush and do it. Tasks are typically, let's talk about the amount of money you expect. They are typically worth between 0.25 to 10 each. Can you imagine the one I did, the task today, I got 0. You can see it on the screen. Depending on the complexity and location, for you to reach 100 on a daily basis for your goal, you aim at completing high-paying tasks or multiple smaller tasks throughout the day. So this calls for you to sit down and write exactly how much do you want to make per day, and what about the time that are available to you. To help you reach that $100 goal, here are some tips to maximize your earnings on a premise. I sat down and I'm like, these are the tips that can make my people earn $100 on a daily basis. First, I want you to prioritize high paying tasks. There are many tasks that you're going to come across, but please make sure that you pick the ones which are highly paid. Tasks that involve taking photos or collecting of specific data often pay more, so they keep an eye out of the opportunities. The second one, you have to check your app frequently. There are very many people who are in need of these tasks. There are very many people who are on premise. So, and there are very many people who are in your locality, but you don't know. So, the moment they put the task, it can easily be taken by others. So, and you find they have, of course, a ceiling whereby they want, maybe they want like 5 or 10 people to answer that or to take part in that. So, the moment you don't check your phone regularly or your app regularly, it means you are going to lose track of that. Then the third part, or the third tip I would want to tell you is to plan your tasks around your day. You guys, if you're already out running errands, check your tasks in that area. This way you complete tasks without going out of your way and saving your time and effort plus your transport. For example, I was in Alzahia, so I had to check when I did this task. That's when I said, no, let me give these people. So it is very easy, like wherever you are, you can be now in Dubai. If I'm in Dubai, Deira, when I check my app and I find there's a task there, I can do it from there before I come back home. But when you don't check regularly, it means you're going to miss a lot. What about the last and the best one? Before we go to the practical and see how it is done, payment and withdrawal. This is where most of people want to hear. But I always want to bring it last because you cannot go to the payments without making the money. So now let's talk about how you get paid on premise. For premise offers multiple payment options. That beautiful part of it. This one includes PayPal, whereby the PayPal you can withdraw at $5, that is minimum. Then there's Pioneer, and there's also bank transfer. It depends on your location, whether if you find you're in Dubai, so far I've seen that too, and even in your location, if you're in Uganda, if you're in UK, it will depend, or you're in Nigeria, it will depend. You can check on the app. You're going to see which payment method is for me. You can withdraw your earnings at any time once you have reached the minimum payout, I mean the threshold, which varies by region. If you're in the United Arab Emirates, I told you, PayPal into AA, you withdraw minimum is $5. And if you're also in another country, you can check, it will be showing you. To withdraw your earnings is very simple. What you do, you go to your interface. After going to the interface, there's a wallet section whereby you can click on it in that app. Select your preferred payment method and request a payout. Payments are typically processed within a few business days. I received mine within 2 days. I don't know the location you're in. You can go to 3, it can go to 4, or it can be to 1. So premise is a fantastic way to earn extra money on your trade, you guys. Which is the right strategy and a bit dedication, you can easily make $100 a day by completing simple tasks. So why not give it a try, you guys? Let me ask, why don't you want to give it a try? Just go and get your phone, download it, and start turning your spare time into cash. This has been so very, very helpful and very beautiful for me from the time I came to learn about it. By the way, you guys, if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like it, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. And before that, let me tell you, according to the reviews of this, it has been rated 4.3. It is very high. You can see that. And also, we always see the products by going to the reviews. When I went through the reviews, I found out the reviews are okay. Of course, there are some reviews which will be a bit not good, but the majority of the reviews are very good. So, being rated 4.2 is very beautiful, and it has been rated by 204K reviews, which is also very good. Most people have been there since, And really, there are some who are giving 2 stars, 5 stars, 3 stars. So, guys, go ahead and have a try on it. Let's make money online, please.